we're back. I haven't made a video in forever, and honestly, this is what I feel like y'all look like when I don't do a video for a long time or just zero fucking communication.
Hey Black Santa, where you been? We ain't getting nothing for Christmas, man.
I've been busy. What y'all want?
Yeah, I have 700 subscribers right now, but I feel like I have my 3 loyal fans are probably like, bro, what the fuck? But I feel like that's what y'all look like. And this video is mostly just an update. I want to show you the new point of view I plan on filming videos in from now on. And I'm making oatmeal and honey in this video, but I know I need to work on the camera angles and kind of getting it more centered, so we're just gonna ignore that. But I'm making oatmeal and honey. I'm catching you up on where I've been doing and where I've been and what's going on. So first we are starting with the new camera angle. I like it a lot. When I first watched it back, I thought it was so trippy to see. I don't know, I've never watched myself make soap like that, and such a just like I'm doing it again in person, if that makes sense. For you, this is definitely an interesting angle. I feel like you can see everything a lot better. I think it looks a lot better. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you like this view. I like it a lot. It's a little bit trippy, but I like it. And I know I already have an updated oatmeal and honey video up, but I'm probably going to take that down because I don't want you to have to watch me make oatmeal and honey 3 times on the channel. And I feel like this is just a different angle. It's different, so I feel like I'm going to take that one down and put this one up, and this will be the last oatmeal and honey video I make, just because there's like already 2 on the channel. But by the time you're seeing this, just 1. But I decided to record the oatmeal and honey video for 2 reasons. 1, playing with a new point of view. I didn't want to make a new soap and then not like this point of view and let y'all not see a new soap, because I didn't like the point of view, if that makes sense. So I decided to play with oatmeal and honey first in the point of view. And 2, I'm going to change my recipe because I can't get cocoa butter at a decent price anymore, and it's not reasonable for me to even try at this point, because the supplier I was getting from, they have been out of stock for months. I've been looking for months. Ever since I've been gone, I've been looking, and it's just, even different suppliers, nothing is reasonable to keep unrefined cocoa butter in the recipe. So I decided to switch to Kokum Butter. It has the same makeup as cocoa butter and soap calc, so it really shouldn't be that much different, but you'll no longer get the light scent of chocolate anymore when I make the soap, which is kind of sad. But if it feels almost the same as cocoa butter, then I'll live with it. But I am sad about it, and if I can get cocoa butter at a good price again, maybe I'll switch back. But right now all soaps are the same, except for some are now going to be able to Kokum Butter until eventually I run out of the unrefined cocoa butter. So for sure on the website you'll still see some things listed as cocoa butter as the ingredient, but as soon as all the soaps with cocoa butter run out, everything is going to say Kokum Butter. And that's just what it is moving forward. I love cocoa butter. I promise you, I tried forever to stick with unrefined cocoa butter, but I just couldn't do it. There's no decent prices. If I try to keep unrefined cocoa butter in here, I'd probably be selling you $20 bars of soap. It's just like, it's not worth it at that point to me. So Kokum Butter is what we're doing moving forward. It has the same makeup and soap calc as cocoa butter, so it's not much different at all. And I've tested it out. I like it still. So I hope you guys, honestly, I hope you guys don't notice the difference, but if you do, I hope it's still acceptable. Other than that, everything pretty much remains the same. Olive oil, coconut oil, Kokum Butter, mango butter, and castor oil. Fragrances, of course. Yeah, everything's pretty much the same except for that. It's just the one main update that, I'm not gonna say bothered me, but just made me feel some type of way. That's new, but it's okay. Everything's okay. Oatmeal and honey, the soap itself remains the same. Of course, new recipe, but I don't add too much stuff to it. I know in the original video I added biodegradable glitter. I don't do that anymore. I add a little bit of titanium dioxide to one mixture, which is in that white bowl right there, just to add accent color. But other than that, it's naturally colored with the honey itself, which makes soap super dark, but also is a humectant, so it draws moisture into your skin, it keeps moisture to your skin, and it makes soap dark but also super bubbly. And the thing about honey and soap is you really have to mix everything well, because it's easy to miss stuff and have little spots of honey in there, which just doesn't really hurt nothing if it's not like huge. Even then, if it is huge, it doesn't hurt anything, it's just honey. But it's easy to mix stuff, so you'll see me a lot of the time scraping the very bottom of the pan like I did earlier, just to make sure I got everything out. But yes, it is difficult to get everything out. And of course you can use an immersion blender, but honey makes soap go so fast, so I just didn't want to do that. And there you can actually have a good close-up look of the crack I put in my mold almost a year ago now. I really do love this point of view so much better. I'm still getting used to how I should pour the soaps, and because like I'm wearing a vest thing. You've probably seen it before on TikTok, it's so stupid. I'm wearing a vest where you kind of put your phone camera in the front and it gets in the way. So like I kind of have to, it's gonna sound weird, I kind of have to imagine what's in front of me because I'm also watching myself make this through the camera, but also trying to look past the camera because it's partially in my way while making stuff. But yeah, it's weird. But the point of view that comes out is so cool, and I still need to work on some of the angles and making sure I'm staying in the center when I'm making it. But yeah, I love the new point of view. It's so cool. Other than that, I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, and I say that shit all the time, but I really am. Even though I'm not posting videos or giving updates like I should, I'm still working behind the camera. I have been putting my soap into stores again around Mississippi, my surrounding area. If you don't know, I'm in Oxford, Mississippi. So I've been having my soap in some stores around Oxford. I have one in a grocery store in Oxford. Then I have one in a pharmacy in Myrtle. And by one I mean some soap. It's not just one bar of soap. I have soaps, sugar scrubs, and body butters in a place in Myrtle. Then I have soap in a grocery store in Oxford, Mississippi. I'm trying to also branch out to more places. I'm trying to get to a grocery store in Tupelo and more pharmacies and just small little places like that. Maybe even salons with body butters and sugar scrubs. I don't know. I'm trying to do a lot. And it's very difficult being one person trying to do that and also make videos and make the soap. Then I'm also doing festivals. It's a lot. And I don't make enough money right now to hire consistent help. Even if I did have help, I'm so particular about how I want to do things. I do have, like, I can ask for help for family. That's not a problem. But it's just like, I'm so particular about how I like my stuff done. I know I care about my business. I'm sure they care too, but I'm basically a control freak when it comes to my business and what I care about. Everything has to be done a certain way. I don't know. It's just hard for me to relinquish control over something I really care about, and I really care about what I'm doing. So it's hard for me to say, okay, I can trust you to do this the way I want it to. And I'm gonna run into problems down the line with that. But just in general, I don't know. It's hard for me because I feel like just nobody cares as much as I care. So it's hard for me to actually, I don't know, get the help that I need. Which is why I feel like I slack mostly on the social media side, the posting video side. Like, I could definitely have somebody run my social media or record videos for me, but even then, it's hard to tell people, okay, this is how I want you to be able to see, this is how I want it to look. So I feel like it's better if I just, as of right now, it's better if I just do everything myself so I know it's how I want it to be. Because I've tried having people record it in the past, and it's just not, I mean, some of it comes out exactly how I wanted to, then some of it just isn't. So it's just hit or miss sometimes. So I'd rather just find ways to do it myself, like what I'm doing right here with the fucking vest camera, and just make it work and make time to do voiceovers. Like, this video is almost a week or two old, but I'm just now doing the voiceover. And this is my problem. I have a bunch of videos that I recorded. They're just not edited. There's no voiceover. So I've been filming content. I'm just not posting it. Like, what good is that? But I've been trying to do, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, man. There's content exists. It's me. I'm the problem. And that's honestly my bad. But if you do want a genuine apology, I am sincerely sorry. I do care about this channel. I care about what I'm doing. I care if you guys want to see what I'm doing. And I will try to work better at making content, even if it's something short, like a short, even if it's not long form videos. I'll try to do better with just having something for y'all to see, or just updating on, oh, hey, this is what I'm doing, or just something better than just no communication for what, 4 or 5, 6 months now. I don't know when's the last time I posted a long form video or even just spoke to you. I know I've been posting shorts but I haven't been speaking, but yeah, I'll do better than that. And I am sorry. I do care about this channel, and I care about y'all. And I'm glad if you're still here. I'm glad you're still here to see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm still working behind. I still do the business. I still care. I'm still happy to do this. And I feel grateful that I'm able to do this because, you know, there's a lot of things I could be doing, and I still have the opportunity to do this. I've also picked up a full-time job at a grocery store, the same store that my soap is at, and I love my job. I really do. I really do have so much fun just with life. Like, working in a grocery store is so fun because it's a small local grocery store and everybody's so cool and so chill. Then I also get to do this when I'm not there and I still get to make money doing this. So I'm really, I'm happy with what I'm doing and I care about what I'm doing. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm happy to be here. Probably will remake some of my old soaps in this point of view just so y'all can get a better view of how I make some of the classics and some of the fan favorites. I'm also starting on new collections. I'm making another recycle soap. I just remade pumpkin spice. It looks a little bit different because I used a hanger swirl tool, but other than that, it's literally just about the same. I'm gonna work on the dessert collection. I know I said that for months as well, but I'm actually genuinely gonna start because I'm only gonna have pumpkin spice and maybe one more soap for fall scents, and then I'm jumping straight into desserts because I have so many ideas I want to do, so many dessert themed scents, and I'm excited for y'all to finally see that because I know I've been talking about that for probably actually a year now probably. But yeah, I'm excited to do all that, and that's so satisfying for you guys to see. I get to look at that all the time, like the little, I don't know, I get excited about stupid shit, and one of the things that satisfies me to see is the silicone coming off the slab mold soap. I think slab mold soap, I think it's so satisfying to see. And to finish this out, I'm going to cut this into 4 loaves, then bars. I'm going to show you what some of the bars look like. And then honestly, after this video, I'm going to go in the house, I'm going to make a new soap, and then I'm going to record more videos. I'm going to show you guys. The next soap I'm making is going to be the recycle soap because I have so many soap shreds. It's ridiculous and I need more room. So I'm making recycle soap, and it's going to be scented in, well, the scent is called Backwoods, but it's going to be scented in teakwood and cardamom. I think it's a good, more almost masculine leaning scent, but it's a good medium, kind of like tobacco and bay leaf. So if you like tobacco and bay leaf, I feel like you probably like this scent for the recycle soap as well. And more sugar scrubs, more body butters, more videos, more voiceovers. I'm really going to take today to do a lot of just the stuff I've been neglecting, and yeah. I'm going to let the rest of this video finish. I hope you guys enjoyed the new point of view. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'm glad to be back. It's good to see y'all, hear from y'all, however form, whatever way. And I will see you guys in the next video, wherever it is, or whenever I post it. I'm sorry, it's gonna be in a timely manner. Hopefully, probably, maybe. Love you, bye.